What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So today we are primering. So I got some cans of 2K primer, same primer I used on the transmission, and we are going to primer everything out today. So that is today's goal. And if we can, we are going to start cleaning the engine. Get these wrapped up because I don't want paint on these. Alright, so I got my cove. I got one roll. Alright guys, so I got, wait, no. Yeah, that is 4 coats of primer. So that is 4 coats of primer that is on. We are using this paint gun. It's an electric paint gun. I got it as a gift a long time ago and for my girl. So I guess I'll go ahead and give it a try now. I've been very excited to use this. So this is what we're going to use instead of a spray paint. So that's the gun and this is the color. It is Championship White. It is so white. So yeah, that is the color, Championship White. That's the gun. And now we just gotta spray it down. I'm really excited to do this. So let's just open up the top. So this is already ready to use, no mixing or anything. So you're just supposed to take it in, pour it in, and go from there. Let's just try and get some of those chunks that fell in there. Let's just mix that up a little bit. So those chunks don't get caught up in the sucky up thingy majiggy. So like I said, this is my first time using this. So I kind of just want to get some spray, some sample shots in. So let's see what it does. So it seemed like it's spraying upwards and I needed to spray sideways. So how do I get you to spray sideways? Alright. So now I think that's the spray sideways. Alright, cool. So, I think I'm ready, guys. Okay. First, I love it. Second, there's gonna be a lot of overspray way over there and all on the ground. So let me fix that, and I'm going to die because I did not have a mask on. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna take my shirt off and wrap it around my head like a helicopter. Alright guys, this is what we're looking like. The spray gun was a awesome idea, but it broke on me. I don't know, it started smoking really bad and then it just broke. So I chucked it in the trash, but this is how it looks now. So I'm gonna go run up to AutoZone and see if I can grab some white paint and come back and just finish off what the gun did not get, like back there in that back corner back there and this side of the car, and just hit it one more time. But it's looking freaking awesome. So I got some perfect match spray paint, and we're just gonna go over this and see if we can't fill in some of the spots that the gun did not get right. We got her all painted up, and I think she looks amazing. Drop a comment down below and tell me what do you guys think. Well, I guess that is going to be it for today. I am really tired and that took a lot of work out of me today. So I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. But yeah, I did took the list and put the list on the back of the car for us. So we'll know exactly what we're doing. So I think already we have cleaned the engine bay so that it can come off, and we have painted the engine bay, that can come off. We painted the transmission, that can come off. So we still have the clutch, the timing guides, reassemble it, clean the motor, which I'll probably do tomorrow, the oil cooler, new headers, and I need to paint the motor. So alright guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day, and I hope you guys liked it that.